astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino santu.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Astro Guide, the show that's all about the signs and stars and how they can affect your daily life. I'm your host Shruti Mathur, and joining me in our studios is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kushal. Welcome to the show, Mr. Kushal.
I'm very happy to be here.
We're very happy to have you. Even though summer is ending, it's still thrilling to see you every week.
Yeah.
And now we are going to be reading emails from viewers from around the world that have a series of questions for us. And our first email comes from Vijay. He was born on January 9th, 1972 in Kabul, Afghanistan at 5:30 p.m. Now he also gave his wife's horoscope, but he did not give the time of birth. His wife Janice. He says they've been married for 7 years and they're having a lot of trouble. So he wants to know if he should continue with Janice or perhaps move on. And a second question he has is what business, what entrepreneurial venture should he embark on?
Mr. Vijay Kakkad, I am seeing your horoscope. About the marriage which you said, probably she may be Mangalik. If we have got her date, time and place of birth, then we can find out the cause of your disagreements. Disagreements and agreements are always there between husband and wife. So long as they don't cheat each other, so there I think we should try to work out the marriage. Number one, to pacify this marriage is that girl side should give you 1 kilogram of solid silver brick. They should invite to their house and they should give it to you, and at the home you give it to your wife and keep it on a dresser. Only that remedy will solve your marital problems. Second, you can have a wonderful success in clothing business, what type of clothing business you like, but your mother's name should be there. That's fantastic for you. But at the same time, you can get into car business also. You can become a car salesperson or like this. There are plenty of opportunities in your horoscope. Even the housing is also that. Buy an old house, just renovate it and sell it. There are plenty of things, but we have to dissect the horoscope in a detailed matter so that we can get from the last birthday. There is a problem in your stomach also. Do Tuladaan. If you do not know what it is, you can email me. We can email you. This is Tuladaan. So it's up to you to get, and you have got a key in your horoscope once in a lifetime. You can use that. If you are dried up with the money, then it is a 43 days continuously some sort of ritual, which is very simple, easily to be done, and new source of income will come. A new fountain of wealth will come up. So there are many good things, but the advice for the marriage is, that's my advice. And moreover, Mars is the lord of your house of children, and it is sitting in your house of fortune. So it's a good placement of the Mars planet, but I don't know unless I see your wife's horoscope.
Okay. Well, our next email comes from G. Singh, who was born on October 14th, 1971 at 5:15 p.m. in Mumbai, India. And he wants to know what his future and career holds.
Mr. Singh, you are born in a Magha Nakshatra. If the parents have not done this puja for you, then get this puja done. It is very nasty. It keeps on. ये बनी बनाई खीर को उसमें धूल डाल देता है. सो बना बनाया काम आपका बिगड़ जाता है. ये आपके साथ हो रहा होगा. अब you can call me for this. And south, southeast, southwest house is not good for you. Color blue is deadly for you. blue sapphire, blue car, blue curtains, blue bed sheet, blue shirt, tie is not good for you at all. And Mercury in the 8th house, that remedy is to be done once a life to achieve a blissful life. Then whatever God has given you the destiny, I mean, if there's a 1 mayor of Lota God has given you, whatever the quantum of that vessel is, at least you should be having it filled, not half. So after doing all these things, then you can enjoy a bliss of God, because these are due to your pap karmas, and from the last birthday onward you have to do the Tuladan also.
Okay.
And Magha Nakshatra, you are being ruled by moon and must get it done, please, from the qualified Shastri.
Okay. Well, our next email comes from a big fan of the show who wants to get right down to business. He says that he did not believe in astrology before he watched your show, and now because of you, he does hope that you can help him. We're talking about Mike Shah. He is from Beverly Hills, but in Florida, and his his date of birth is September 28, 1970, in Bhuj, Gujarat at 7:42 p.m. Now, he sold a gas station 7 months ago, hoping to expand to a bigger business, has not been able to, so he wants to ask you what he can do to succeed in his entrepreneurial ventures. He says he's getting very stressed, and you're the only one he trusts.
Okay, Mr. Shah. Color blue is deadly for you. Blue sapphire, if you are wearing, give it to somebody. And because you are likely to bear a blue sapphire, you might have gone to some astrologer, your Saturn planet is debilitated in the ascendant. Okay, have a blue sapphire. But blue sapphire will destroy you on the contrary. Blue car, blue curtains, blue bed sheet, blue shirt, anything blue is dangerous for you. And no statues in the house. Never donate clothes to the priest or to the temple. Means donating clothes will destroy you. And about the gas station business, you cannot go wrong in that. From the vehicle business, you cannot go wrong with that. For the items needed by the ladies, ready-made things needed by the ladies, you cannot go wrong. Anything crockery even is good for you, because anything made of mud. So crockery is also a mud, though it is a ceramic, but it's also just like mud vessels. जैसे गांव में बनाया करते थे घुमार जो थे वो बनाया करते थे बर्तन मिट्टी के घड़ा वगैरह, इस तरह से कि crockery भी it is made same way, but this is a high tech one. So there are many things, but you need to have a specific answer. Then we are to diagnose your house not your house, sorry, for your horoscope. To clean the horoscope, we are to do something more, because this is every email gets 1.5 minutes, so how much I can explain.
Yeah. Well, hey, there's a lot of shows out there on TV that talk about cleaning your house and having your house clean. So, it's good that you're talking about your horoscope.
Yeah.
That also needs cleansing.
Cleansing,
right?
Yes.
Just like your house. Okay, well, our next email comes from Rahila. She was born on October 28th, 1968 in Karachi, Pakistan at 11:17 in the morning. And she needs your help getting married, Mr. Kushal. She's been in a relationship for the past 5.5 years, and there is no signs of marriage, but she is ready to settle down. So how can you help her?
Yeah, that's okay, Rahila. Because your sun planet, which is the lord of your fortune, is debilitated in the 11th house, so any non-vegetarian food will destroy you. I can send you with the email if you ask me what is the exact language in that shloka is. So I will send you the condensed language. I'm not saying that I'm a Brahman and asking you to be vegetarian, but in your case is a must. And never live in a third house. More religious you are, better will be your life. And after your birth, your parents might have built a new house. So marriage is not denied. Do not live in a third house or third apartment, and never sit in a job at the third desk. So these are the things which you have to take care, and if you are living in a house, you should be living in a north-facing house, not south-facing at all. Not even east. North-facing house will bring fortune for you. So rest we can diagnose the horoscope thoroughly, but for the last 3-4 years, there was some upheaval for you. There's no doubt about it. Have a yellow sapphire on you. Yellow sapphire will induce a good marriage for you.
Okay, and she says her financial situation gets worse by the day.
Yeah, because financial situation is ruining her, and another little bad period is coming on the way. So be miser, be careful. Your financial situation from May 2009 onward is going down the hill, and it will carry on up to 23rd of July 2012. So please be careful. There could be false charges against you wherever you are working. None of your fault. You will get the blame also. So you better have yellow sapphire and get some other protection also, which is needed by some other planets, which I can't explain on the television.
Okay. Well, we have a lot of moms and dads who worry about their children who write in, and wives who worry about their husband. But now we have a husband who is just wanting to have the best for his wife. We're talking about Balram. He's writing in about his wife, Sunita. She was born on July 17th, 1962 at 8:30 p.m. in Mumbai, India. And he just wants to know about his wife's future. He didn't even write in about himself, just his wife. He wants to know if there's any remedies or precautions. Yeah.
What a lucky lady. Generally people say, I'm fed up from my wife, but she's a lucky lady.
There you go. There's hope for everyone.
Yeah, because her Jupiter is in the second house, so she is the real Devi. And she's very pious lady, and she's devoted to her husband. Okay, now we have to take care of her in a very nice way. This year seems to be very good for her. Last year, she might have done good. I don't know why you are asking. I mean, give us the correct question so that we can answer that. You want her, what type of a job she is doing? Ask her to donate black items. That will ease her. And she is a Raj Yogi girl, and he's asking different question. She is a good writer.
Any remedies? Anything?
No,
any
remedy for what? There's no caution here. Only black things she is to donate to remove obstacles. शनिवार को सरसों का तेल, ब्लैक दाल, ब्लैक कपड़ा और लोहे की आइटम, तवा या कढ़ाई किसी बंदर वगैरह को चाहिए हो तो वो देती रहा करे. हाँ, एक बात जरूर है, she should keep a lota of, it should not be of steel, any other metal, full of water on her night table, and in the morning she should pour it on a thorny plant like rose or cactus, like that. And if she does it regularly, she won't be having many problems, will be solved automatically. That's for her for throughout life. And she should always offer on Sunday. Once a year she is to bury some copper pieces, which we can describe it. I cannot prescribe how which big size it is, because offhand we have to calculate it. And at least good into the river water. That will also be very good for her.
Okay. Well, that's all the time that we have for emails on this edition of Astro Guide, but we would love to hear from you, whether it's your questions or simply comments or suggestions or feedback for us. The email address is astroguide@globosat.ent.com. That's astroguide@globosat.ent.com. Now, after the break, we will have the Astro Forecast, which is for everybody, and which will be taking us into the month of September. Joining me in this astronomical quest is North America's most famed astrologer, Mr. Puru Kasal.
You are leading a good life with honesty and dedication and devotion towards God. Your forefathers are very happy. Loka samasta sukhino.